You want to enable them to play with the data and be able to cut their own data and generate their own insights. You can do that, of course, but you are not a business team, right? They are in a much better position to do that than you are. So again, that's why I lean so much towards Power BI and Tableau, because those tools do allow you to deploy a dashboard and say, here's your data in a visual way, go to it. And then they're going to come back to you and they're going to say, hey, we did this and we found this that's interesting. Can you help us figure out this? When EDA results in them, not you, but them coming back to you with ideas, that's when you're doing it at a high level. So do whatever tool allows the business, not you, the business, to make decisions on what they're curious about in the data and what those next steps should be. Because that's really when you're winning, right? Like your team is like really functioning well at that point when you can do that. And I don't mean just your data science team. I mean like your overall like stakeholder and company team. Okay. Yeah.